Hey guys, good evening. Okay, so today was 8th May, Monday, our first day of trading with a new indicator. So let's check what we did today. Market opened slightly out with a gap up, and what we found was it is opening inside the daily pivot range. So our daily pivot range for today was between 42,796 and 43,084. So we had to wait either to it price to cross any of these levels. First thing, as per our rule. Next was it should cross three line indicator. So what we found was the entry point would have been somewhere here. So first was here, because this was a small candle which closed above all of these three lines. Whenever a high of this was broken, we would have taken an entry, but it was still inside our pivot. Second, again a signal came in wherein a complete full green candle opened up outside of these three lines. We could have taken a trade somewhere here, which is 925, but what our rule says, we only trade when the price is either above the pivots or below the pivots and it crosses a green line or red line. Now we only saw line to be crossing at around 926, 927. So I took a trade at 928. Then the first target was to book a profit at 50 points. So it went up to high of around 43,314, where I booked my option with around 70 to 80 points. I bought it around at 280 and booked here at 359 level. Then I waited for it to hit our stop loss and carry forward. So here it did not hit our stop loss, because as per me, what I follow is, once this blue line crosses my buying range, which is this, I consider this red line as my stop loss. So all this was stop loss hunting, and it again went up back. So I booked it again somewhere here, and I had to leave for my day job. So what I did was, I came out somewhere in outside here, and I made a decent profit of 3,000 rupees after just trading 2 lots for a day. Now we would have got a chance to enter again at around 43 to 41 and booked a profit of 43,324, which is again somewhere around 80 to 90 points. Then it did give us pretty many chances in the day, many chances. See, and finally it ended here. So even if we would have traded all the points all the way up and waited for a stop loss to be hunt, so we could have come out only above around at 43,231 level, which is still a pretty nice profit, because we bought it here, and the distance is almost 100 points. On an option chart, it converts to 50 to 60 points. Let me show you my actual trades. So this is my actual trade for today. I entered with 2 lots at here, which is around 286. So this is my order position. See this, I entered at 286.90, time was 928.01. I sold my first lot at 953, which was at 359, and a second lot at 1101, which was around 349. I made a decent sell of around at buying at 290 and selling at 350, which is converts to around 3,000 points roughly, so which is around 3,378 for a day. with just simple two lots. First buy, sorry, first two lots of buy, then I sold my first lot with a booking by booking with a profit, then I sold the second lot at here around 349, which was low of this candle, and then it went again back up to 398, hitting my target of 450, which was around 210, or even at around 2. So between 2 to 210 it did hit my target, but before hitting the target it did come multiple times down, but it never reached the buy level which we had entered. So the lowest it made here was 302. Our stop loss would have been around 280, 295, which is still 10 points more than our buy range. So we would have made around good around 100, 150 points on today's trade. But booking a profit is more important. I generally don't trade